Welcome all to Plutus IAS. Today I'm going to discuss another topic of geography. We are taking Himachal Pradesh in particular as we are discussing Himachal Pradesh special examination, state special. So in the previous video, we have talked about the physiographic division and the soils of Himachal Pradesh, and this time we are taking minerals. In the previous lecture, we have discussed that it is consisted of the forest and mountainous soil majorly, and in some of the places, it's also considering the alluvial soil. So, talking about the mineral resources, it's quite rich in the mineral. The deposits are found in abundance, especially if I talk about the non-metallic mineral, which is limestone and rock salts that are found in abundance. I'm talking about the minerals first, and then we'll be taking the areas and districts along with it. So talking about the major minerals, the first mineral that I have taken is limestone. It's a non-metallic mineral. This is particularly found in Bilaspur, Sirmaur, Kullu, Kangra, and Mandi. So these are the prominent places where the limestone is found. Limestone is used in a lot of construction materials, and also it is found in the major Vindhya belt. But if I talk about Himachal, then these are the districts where it is found in abundance. Next mineral that we are taking is rock salt. Rock salt is majorly found in the Mandi district, and again, it's very prominent for the consumption. We use the rock salt for the consumption, and apart from that, it is again used in a lot of other construction materials. The next up we have is gypsum. So where the gypsums are used, it is the formula for the gypsum is CaSO4, which is your calcium sulfate, and basically gypsum is used. The application of it is to utilize in for the soil management. Whenever the pH of any soil get disturbed, then one can use the gypsum for balancing the pH, and hence it gives the better productivity in that area. So where the gypsum is found, so they are also found in Sirmaur, Lahul Spiti, Sirmaur district, and Lahul and Spiti. The next up we have is the quartz or the sandstone. These are found in Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh. The next mineral that we have is slate. Slate is found in Kullu, Sirmaur district of Himachal Pradesh. Now taking up another minerals, for example, iron ore, cobalt. These are also very prominent minerals which are found here. The coal is also found, but not in too much of abundance. It is found very rarely in some of the districts. So let's discuss about that. As you must be knowing that India is having the maximum amount of the bituminous coal, type of a coal in India. Anthracite is only found in Jammu and Kashmir. And the other prominent country where you're having the maximum anthracite coal is USA. So India is known for only bituminous coal. So you can find the traces of the coal only in some of the places. For example, Mandi, Kangra. So you can write them. Mandi and Kangra. Next, iron ore is also found in Mandi, Sirmaur, Kullu. These are the prominent areas. So mica is also found in Kinnaur, Lahul Spiti, Next up we have is gold. Gold is found in Sirmaur area and the other neighboring districts of it. So these are the minerals which are found. So what you can do is, for the prelims point of view, you can just mark the districts and try to locate all of these on the maps and memorize them. That's the best way of revising it. I'll come up with next topic of the geography. Thank you so much.